Alright, welcome to part three on the EQ usage, or what will I call it? Right now, we'll be using it on Euro USD and GBP USD. I've already tried it on Euro USD, but of course, they do the same thing, they move the same way. They call them divergence, SMT divergence. I don't know if we can call it SMT divergence in this forex space, but I know US 500 and NAS 500, which will be the next video. We always call them SMT divergence. That's what we call them because they always match each other. I don't know if that same can also be said on Forex. I'll do research on that later. But yes, S&P 500 and NAS 1000 will be our next video. But right now, we'll be doing on GBP USD and Euro USD. I've already done it on Euro USD, so it will be the last thing I'll show. But I've never tried it on GBP USD, so we're going to start. Where should we start from? I'm going to start from last week, which is last week Monday. I don't know how far that is. Let's just go to 1:15 so we can to skip it faster. Let's see. I'm gonna pause the video now so I can just set everything up so the video won't be long as fuck. Alright, welcome back. I already marked everything. So someone advised me to say you guys should like and subscribe, but if you fuck with what you're watching and you like what you're watching and the strategy has worked for you, of course you would come back and like and subscribe. Humanity, I still have hope in humanity, I guess. But do I? I don't think I do. Humanity has its own flaws, man. Yeah, everyone likes what they want. But if it were me, right, and I was to like stumble upon this, or a friend was to share this to me, right, I would like, and if I had an account, okay, you have to have an account to even like, I guess. Abi? I don't know, but I know you have to have an account to subscribe. So I would definitely like, if it works though, if it was something that did not work, of course, why would I fucking like it? Like, you get me? But of course, I'm showing you the charts. Like, it's only when you don't understand it, you're like, okay, I don't like, I don't subscribe. And besides, I've not monetized my channel. My channel is not monetized. So I don't even see how you thinking that if I like it will make money is now. You watching the video doesn't even make me money. I'm just putting this out there just for me to like come back to this. You get, or if this shit like really makes me that bread, I'll be like, this shit is out there. I'll be like, come back to it. And I'll be like, if anyone like wants to learn how I trade, I'll be like, bro, just watch this video. Yeah, because I don't want to start explaining it, start explaining to you. Just watch the video, it's done. You get. Right now, immediately I'm done. I always did it for my PC because why is already on YouTube cloud already. So you get. So yeah. So right now I already mapped 4 hours. We're gonna do 3 minutes, right? Right. Yeah. And yeah, I already started seeing when I was mapping. I already started seeing some trades. Right. I already started seeing some trades. So yeah, let's go to the first day, Monday of seventh of Monday. We had a high, we had a low. What the markets do? Markets did not go back to EQ. Yeah, and markets, what the market do here? Market just keep running down. I'm pretty sure if you check the previous EQ, I did not map out Friday. Let me map out Friday last 4 hours. So it will be 20 what? It will be 20 what? Or should we just do Sunday? Let's try Sunday. Sunday should have its own EQ too, exactly. Let's see Sunday. But how long is Sunday? Sunday is not. Sunday is not really a 4 hour now. So how can I map out Sunday? Okay, this is Sunday shit. If you look at Sunday, right? Alright, let's map it out. Oh, I don't want to map it out, but hey, we can also use it to trade. Because I just saw a trade now. We could have caught that sell. Definitely caught that sell, bro. Definitely. But you see what I saw now. Watch. By this time, me just doing this, you already know we caught this sell because you've watched the last video. But if you've not watched the last video, then you don't even know what I'm talking about. Who's gonna watch the last video? Watch this video, watch last video, watch the one before that one. It's still the same thing. I'm just using different plays, not like different strategy. It's only a matter of time since I'll start doing a recap on my trades using this stuff. Now it's only a matter of time. You get, and I'll start showing my face too. You get, where is okay? Last Friday will be like from 00, or when did this one stop? This is why I did not want to use it. This is 21:39, so minus 4 will be what? 20 minus 4 is 8, so that will be 9. It's what, 20? Let's also do 20. Where's 20 here? It is 20, so let's do 20 minus 4 is what? 16. Alright, let's do 16. I'll do 17. 17 plus 4 is what, 21. I'll be here. Let's do 17. Where does 17 starts from? 17 started from here. Right? Yeah. 17 plus 4. 17 what? 21 what? 2140. So that would be 1739 then, right here. Uh-huh. My mouse was lagging there. I was moving it slowly so I can get it perfect. 1739, so that's like perfect 4 hours, Abby. Do your maths. Hmm? Go school, go school, school na scam. We were since school na scam, guys, still dey school. See the catch lecturers. So they catch peeps at the catch lecturers. School's na scam. Don't listen to them. What do we have here? Some markets come here, well, come here, created this EQ. What did market do here? Market came back or continued the trend. I know you fell down here, but you fell inside this EQ. Abi now check am now. This one don't enter this one. Maybe you on WhatsApp. Now you. As you can see, market entered here, went up. You get we're in the uptrend. Well, who will catch this? What the fuck is this? Because it cost above and it cost above. What do we buy? But this Sunday, why would I want to do this now? What did you do? What kind of you get? So now what do we do now? We enter Monday. Oh, this was Monday. And what did we do? We came above it. We closed above it, right? We closed above this EQ here, as you can see. We closed above it with this candle here. And what do we do? Retracement. Tap into this inefficiency, other block right here, or your SL right here, SL here or SL here. You could have I would have put my SL here because of this inefficiency here. You get you can't always be right every time. Let's start. Let's start putting our entry. 50% of this big of this if you watch my videos, you know that 50%. I can't be mapping it out again. Don't have time. I have trades to cash. I'm in a trade right now. I'm in a Bitcoin trade. And if you check below, this also I'm in a trade on my this paper trading demo account. A Euro USD very slow fucking pay. You get I mean the buy and it's consolidating right now because it just finished its sell. So what do we do? Draws on liquidity. First draw on liquidity here. You grab the what 1 to 2, double your money. Final here. It does not finish. You keep going. You keep fucking going. You see that? See what we could have grabbed based on that? You get there was no fucking the drawdown, your drawdown no go enter 1B if you use Naira account. You no go enter $1 if you use Naira account. Depend on the lot size though. Depend on the lot size. If you use 0.01, you know if you even enter 0.5 cents for the fact. You get let me not take this far. You get me? Because oh yeah, look at this now. Let's just say yeah. This is the EQ of yesterday. It could not do this. It could not. You see, it did not come back here. Telling us we are seeing a sell trend because we continue selling. Right, good. So we are definitely still in that sell. We are definitely still in that sell. Ah, I'm having headache just by talking. See, look at the sell now. Come on, look at that sell, bro. Just to draw some liquidity. As you have taken out 1 to 2 ratio, right? Taking your SL. You get I don't just say okay, this is a perfect trade. No, I have other confluences I use. I use this large algo Ichimoku clouds. Look at this, right? What did it telling us? We are below that cloud. If you don't know how this she works, right? Google on YouTube how to use Ichimoku theories. You get look at it. Under the cloud means we are selling. The only time I would have gotten out was if I saw this. And if you see it come above the cloud, there's always going to be retracement. And look at the retracement. This is retracement you get, and then we saw this now. Now this would have been where we're like, oh okay, maybe there's another. There will always be retracements when it goes above the cloud. So it goes above the cloud, makes a retracement. We'll be like, okay, maybe not fake out like this one, right? What does he do? Tap into this inefficiency on this 3 minutes, and we start seeing it come back. Once it closes above, I'm out of this trade. So our SL will be where? Our SL will be. Let's put that. Our TP, sorry, so our tip would have been here, on this place right here. That's where our tip would have been. You get if I say let me throw my stop loss. So these are three stop loss. I don't know say okay, make I just dey make I dey deceive una say yes I catch a perfect from here to perfect here or here. No. You trail it with this. You get or you trail it with change of characters. But Ichimoku trial is best for it because if you are selling, Ichimoku trial will also be selling. So it's also best for trailing stop loss. And I also have a trailing stop loss here too, an indicator, statistical trailing stop. You get it tells you when to get out of the market. It tells you, let's see if it works here. Where is it? Let me limit this. It's blocking the. Look at it first. First, it's telling you to get out here. Why? Because it came out into the cloud. You could have gotten out here, TP1, another place, TP2. It didn't even let you come here, safe. So that's two like that. Statistical ceiling stop and this. And then Ichimoku clouds. Or you could just trail it with change of character. Change of character even say, look at change of character. Red. It's red. With the, okay, it's red, right? See how it's red? Red means sell. You start getting green here, around here. If you check it, you start getting green around here. You see that green? Yeah. But what happened later? Bam, we still sold. Then we now started getting green here. This was not really accurate. But if you use Ichimoku Cloud and statistical stop, you get what you want. Now let me just, I don't want this green to overcome like cover all the charts, so I'll just limit it. Okay, we only grab the 1 2 kilo, but we grab more than that for sure. And let's do this. I don't like too much indicators, even though it's on or not on. I don't like too much of it on my chart. Let's off that one. Let's leave it there. Now back to this, right? Right. We already grabbed this cell too. Oh, my PC is starting to do rubbish again, guy. So we already grabbed this, right? The cell. Right now, what do we see? We see this EQ here. Don't forget, there are some EQs we never use. I just learned this now. If we never use like two EQs before, we never used it, we can use it again. We never use this EQ. We never use this EQ, right? Now look at this. This is this trade. Got this sell. We started to buy. We got out right around. Where did we get out now? That's in a year. Yes, in a year we get out. The Ichimoku like pop out retracement, tap into this 3 minutes, and then we started to retrace here. Now look at this, right? What do we see? A break up, a break below. Abina. Mm-hmm. A break below this. We see a break below this inside here and inside here. You get telling us what when we say break above, sorry, I said break above, we buy. Now, what do you look for here? Look for inefficiencies for it to tap. Where's our SL? Our SL will be here. Grabbing an entry right around here on this EQ, right? And then pull your SL here. Let me see now. Let me look at this trade. We like take this trade. Let's look at the trade. Do you have inefficiencies against me? None. I had none, but I had inefficiencies for me. 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. You get four, five. We had five inefficiencies. Six plus this one, two, three, four, five, six inefficiencies for me. And we had let's say one, this one here against me, which actually turned to an inverse fair value gap. So what do we do here? We'll use our gun box. I don't know if we get in this trade, but this will tell us if we get in or not. This will tell us. I always use this for our trades. Let's see. As you can see, no, we did not get in on this trade. We did not get in on this trade because this would have been when we would look for entries all year. But he followed the strategy. The only reason we did not get in was because of what risk management. That was all. Did he follow the strategy? Yes. He broke above. What did you do? Buy. Draws on liquidity. Took out this high. Took out this high. Right. We already got the 1 to 2. Right. They just taking out this high. Came here. Took out this EQ again. Right. Why did we already said we can use the one as well? Well, because we use this. Why would we want to use? Why would we use this to catch a buy? I want to use this again to catch the same buy. Like make that make sense for me, bro. Exactly. Make that make sense. You get. So we already grab. Let us say we grab here. I'm going to put it because where is my buy? Okay. Long position. Where we have gotten energy on this inefficiency here, or we just say okay back on this EQ. Right. We got in on this EQ after I already broke above. Where did he break above? He broke above on this candle here. I won't count this one. He broke above here. Okay, it's this one. He broke above here, right? We'll come and look for a liquidity sweep. Tap into this inverse here, this little small fair value gap. Yeah, our SL will be right here. That's where our SL will be. And then we grab whatever we want to fucking grab. This is a perfect 1 to 5, right? Yeah. This is a perfect 1 to 5. We were never in any drawdown, but okay, little drawdown. It's never up to 1K. Oh god, my truth is paining me. We're just talking too much. Jesus Christ. Look at this. Maybe because I'm talking too fast. Look at this. That's another win. Right? That's another win. Target highs or lows or EQs for your TP. You guys can use previous order blocks lows for your SL. This was an order block move to the upside because this created this, or we could have put it here if you wanted to be too safe. Yeah, not safe, too safe. This would have been still been a perfect 1 to 5. I'm pretty sure if we put it here, it would have been a 1 to 2. On this low here, okay, never 1 to 1. Oh, that's rubbish. But a 1 to 5, where's that 1 to 5? 1 to 5 to, I remember, is that right on EQ? Perfect. Now, We've used that since we've used this EQ to map out this, right? We don't need to use this. I never talked about using past EQs in my last two videos, but once you backtest, you start seeing new ideas. You get when the first video I created, I never divided it by two by creating two EQs. You get, but once I don't see equilibrium, yes, I divide it by two and use the equilibrium of that division. Yeah, and now I've created a new one that we can use past um EQ, but it should not go further than two. You get, and if one has been used out of that two, the one at the back or the one in the front is no longer useful. You get, we've used this, we've used it. We never use this, we never use this. This one is no longer useful because now we have this one that is, you get, we never use this, right? And then this one, okay, we know use this one is no longer valid, it's not this one, right? Exactly. So if you can catch this one, right? Why would you need to catch this one again when this one is below this one? You understand what I'm trying to say? Like this one is not. I know we never use this, and you be like, ah, but it's still open, but it's not open because this one is below it. So it will still come here before it come here. If it even happens to come here, and it comes, so this one already guarantees this one already, which means that we don't need this. So by just unless we don't need this unless this one goes above here and there's no other will happen. So if this is here and this is here, this also means this because price will come here before it reach here. If you don't understand that, then bro, fuck you. I don't even know if I'm allowed to say fuck you on YouTube policy. Yeah, I guess I'll find out if you take the video down. I'm not doing this video again. They take it down. I'm not doing this video again. Now let's see next one, right? What do we see? EQ. Oh, what happens? We close below it, but it'll be like we never caught a perfect one, but what do we do? Extra confluence, we dive into the 1 minute. Unless 1 minute say no entry for us. Oh god, this will take us really back. Oh god. Oh, it will take us back like far. Oh, there should be a way I can just go back. Like, take us back. I have to pause this video again. I'm pausing this video now, chill. Alright, we are there already. We are there. God, this video is already 17 minutes long. Oh, God. This will take a lot of my data to post to. Hey, I don't die. I don't die, guy. I don't die. So we never got a retracement even on the 1 minute itself. We never got a retracement. So this would have been our retracement entry, right? Let's go back to 3 minutes. Then I'm going to pause this video again. Alright, we are back. Seeing how long this video is going to be, I won't be doing Euro USD again. I'll just show you the ones I've done and you're able to see the wins and the losses because I mapped out with the positions of positions there. You get you only be doing Monday. So homework one do Tuesday yourself. You get if Monday can work, what happened to Tuesday? If it can work on Bitcoin, work on Ethereum, work on gold. Now it has worked on Euro USD and now it's working on GBP USD. It can work. So yeah, that's it. 1 year, 1 year, 1 year, 1 year. So 17 minutes after this, I'm posting this video. Someone's calling me. All right, where did we stop? All right, we stopped here now. When he crossed above this EQ, would I have bought here immediately? No, no. But did he respect the stuff? Yes, he did. Once what we do, we break below it. 1 minute, we showed 1 minute. We saw that he did not do anything there. So what would we have caught a retracement entry? Exactly. Where is our short position? Look at the short position. 50% of this would be right around here. No entry is perfect. Now I don't really fuck with this trade because of what is it called? Because of the SL. Normal hour maybe gets like 0.05 position, yeah, another 0.05 position each FG. And the target maybe this as my SL, not even this. You get, so would I get it on this trade? No. You get, so let me just use it normal as EQ at EQ. This is not a trade that we're getting. I'm just using it to like, okay, we are following the strategy and like the strategy works. This would have been our stop call. This other block that prompted the move, the inefficiencies here. Or we use this. Okay, let's use this because that was the other block. And this was the other block that prompted the move. This one here give us inefficiencies. Tap into these inefficiencies here. What do we do? We came back down, right? Now what do we target? We target lows. Lows on the market, right? We could have gotten in here and grabbed the 122 for sure. Let's see it. Tap in here, right? Short position, lows on the market target is EQ, no trade is perfect, remember, right? Target our EQ, where's our SL going to be? Same place. Not a good win ratio as you can see. So yes, we did not get in on that. Trying to find an excuse to get in, but I would have gotten it. I won't even lie. I won't lie. I would have gotten it, but with a very minimal SL, or maybe on my prop account. Yeah, on the 1 minute, I would have seen a better SL for sure. On the 1 minute, yeah. But this is the SL we are stuck with, so yeah, we gotta take it. So we took that. Nothing is perfect. Let's look for draws. We took out this low, took out this previous 4 hour low, took out this EQ too. So should we trail it? Let's use our Ichimoku class to trail our TP, right? Now Ichimoku class is telling us what stop. Let's use our trailing. So Ichimoku class is not really telling us anything. So you can't just have one what's it called? One confluence for your SLR. What's it called? This is it. As you can see, this indicator is blocking it. You see where you say we should stop? Right here. So what do? We stop right here. So EQ would have been our primary um TP. Yeah, EQ. Yeah, EQ would have been our primary TP. So yeah, that's it. Let's hide this. Let's hide it. Hide that and hide this. So that's how many trades now within the Tuesday. We've not grabbed any losses, remember. I hope you're catching on. We've not grabbed any losses. It has not crossed above the EQ line and go the opposite way. We've not had that yet on this pair. I'm not saying other pairs. Other pairs we might have had that maybe on gold because gold is fucking volatile and it does not respect any fucking body. You get look at this because this is that's how many buys now. That's how many wins. That's 3 wins like that so far. Normal the maximum wins you should have is three. Sorry, the minimum you should have is 3 to 5. Minimum loss is 1 to 2. We are seeing more than 2 losses, bro. The other you're not using the EQ right or you're not getting at the right position. Fact. Look at this again. Look at this EQ here. What did we do? We came above, right? Closed above the EQ. Above this EQ, we're telling us what we have to grab a buy entry. And what do we do? We closed above it, came back, tap into this inefficiency here, and then we bought. You get. Let me see. That's the end of today. I'll do this one. Let's see if you catch this. But yeah, we would have cut this and what's it called? Let me see, I would have cut it safe. Let me see if you can use Ichimoku Cloud to get an entry. As you can see, we do get an entry at Ichimoku Cloud. We close, what do? We closed above it. Once we close above, what was that telling us we are buying, right? Good. I would have gotten an entry here, but not using my EQ stats. You're just gambling that shit and using indicators to get into it. But I don't do that anymore. I used to use this Ichimoku again to that. It's actually very accurate. Not even gonna like say indicators are shit. This one is actually fucking accurate. If you learn about it. Yeah, I'm giving you guys free source. I paid for this indicator. Not like paid, but I paid data, not money, to learn this shit. And the person that actually showed us didn't know to tell us how to use it. He wanted to charge us for it. And I'm putting it out there because fuck them, man. We have to build the system some way. Let me hide it back. I want to see the chart proper. Let's see. What do we see here? A big of structure after we break above this. After we see a big of structure, we should be expecting a retracement, right? Now we didn't get any retracement, but change of character. Sorry, I said big of structure. After this EQ already broke above, what do we see? Change of character. So what do we wait for? Retracement. Where's our other block? Right here. Entry on this inefficiency here. Nothing is perfect. 50% of that inefficiency will partly be on the change of character. So we get in on this change of character. SL. Keeping it minimal. Back on this. Get. Let's put it right here. Normal should be right here. But I'll just put it here. Nah, I'm not putting it there because it's here or here, you can still the same thing. So we'll put it right here on that last red week of the candle. We target okay, we already above that. We target what we target equal. We target highs. I don't think we already got that highs. For previous EQ, as you can see, just have a bias for your TP. We like made the EQ go far, 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 but just know like when you have psychology set that okay, this is where I'll close, this is where I'll close. Because it doesn't have to be equal highs. See, well, actually, this is only a high of this shit. So that was EQ. We grabbed the 1 to 6, right? How many drawdown? Not even up to 1K. Yeah, you seen our drawdown, Sha? I hope you're seeing our drawdown. I hope you're seeing this fucking drawdown, guys. I hope you're seeing it. Let me play. I hope you're seeing this fucking drawdown. Good. Now, as you can see, we expected what? This inefficiency. But we did close above it now. Yes, so we don't expect shit. Okay, that'll be the end. Okay, I said I wanted to catch this sell, Abby. Now this is 0 to 4. It'll be very fast. I won't tell at all. I'm not good to at all. I'm not good to. I want to check up on my trade BTC. I'm in a long. I'm in a long position. Let me even see it now like this. If. Oh God, it's gonna take me back. Fuck. I forgot. I have to pause this video so I can go back for the GU. Alright, we are here already. We're already here. What do we do? I want to show you how I record this cell. I did check. I couldn't check on my BTC trade because once that's Korean, I don't have time. But looking at the numbers going up, 337 from 332, now it's going down. I can tell okay, the shit is going up, 335. Oh my god, that went down, 337. It's going up, 339. Yeah, so I can just use this. I think I got in around like 1172 or something, or 1171. My sharp got an entry and it's going up, which is good. So back on this EQ of this, let's map this out. This video is getting to 30 minutes already. Oh god. I don't like long videos, same as you, man. I don't like long videos. But if you've gotten this far, you don't even mind watching this anyway. If you've gotten this far. Now this is the EQ of this. Tuesday went 0 to 4, the new day. We did it Monday 1. We won how many trades? 1, 2, 3. We won 4 trades. Was it 5? Just 4 out of like 5 trades. We could not catch some because they did not they did not tap EQ or something. No, it's supposed to be 6 trades because we have 6 4 hours. We have 4 hours in a day. Yeah, 6 times 4 is 24. We catch how many? How many was this again? 2, 4, 4. We missed 2. No SL, just 40 piece ball. Stay locked in, man. Now, where's our EQ? This is our EQ here. What do we do? We close below it. See? This is legit, brother. Legit as fuck. We close below it right now. As we close below, what do we expect to grab? Inefficiencies. Now, look at this upside. Do you see any inefficiency? Tell me, do you see any inefficiency? No, there's no inefficiency. If you are seeing inefficiency, then you need to go to YouTube and research on inefficiencies because I won't be doing a video on inefficiencies. Now, do you see inefficiencies here? Yes. This candle itself is an inefficiency. This candle is an inefficiency that causes inefficiency. This candle is an inefficiency that causes inefficiency. These are all inefficiencies, right? Let's mark it out. Alternate J. This is an order block. This is this order block here, alternate J. I said alternate. I meant to tap alternate V. Let's delete that. Where's the end of this? Alright, let's see. Alternate J. Yeah. Now that's an order block there that prompted this move. It tapped into it here, prompted this move. So this order block is institutional. And what happened? Are you seeing this bullshit? What do we do when we tap into it? Dagam. You get. You're saying I went back because we did not EQ, we did not see anything in there. Going back for an order block, a previous order block, does not mean in my strategy, bro. It doesn't mean. Some people say that why did you not use this other block? Is this really an other block? Where is another block is an other block when what? It causes inefficiencies. Where's inefficiencies here? Do you see inefficiency in this candle? No. Come on. Do you see other block here? Only what we have here is inefficiencies. And what causes inefficiency here? This other block that tap into this main other block. This inefficiency was caused by this one. This inefficiency doesn't have another block. This inefficiency is a liquidity sweep of this other block, possible other block. But no, this is the other block and this is another other block. The other block wey get other block. Oga pátápátá ọmọṣẹ́ and what did we do? We tap into it. Look at it now. This is it here, other block, other block. What do we do? Tap into it. This would have been my entry at here, entry here. Where's our sell sheet? Short position, poor entry here. Azal now. Where our SLB? Bro, see sharp fucking entry. Are you mad? Are you high? What do we do? Draws on liquidity. Should we say this one? What does this zone give? Jesus Christ, something just jumped on my lap now. Like a spider or something. Just killed it. Where you come from? This window is open. Oh god. Just interfered and just ruined my fucking trousers, his blood, or whatever this fucking thing is. What's this? 1 to 103. Oh, God. Look at this. You say, okay, you close here, you post you close here, you got 1 to 2. What do we do? It was an equity. Previous 4 hour high, previous 4 hour equilibrium, previous 4 hour low, previous 4 hour equilibrium, previous 4 hour equilibrium, previous 4 hour equilibrium. No play. Oh. Are you see? I beg, but you will not catch it now. See, let me show you something. What the fuck will make you run away from this trade? This thing never even pull back. Once we tap entry here, show me one pullback back to entry. Is there any pullback? No pullback, bro. Immediately tap him. What did he do? Scra. Don't fucking play with this strategy, man. You can't just follow this strategy and be like EQ. You don't cross and sell. If you have like 100k and you're entering with like 0.01, sure, okay. But you have unlimited funding. That it does not matter how many losses you put. If you shall come back, yes, you can do that if you have enough, and yes, it will do it, yes. Now back to our draws on EQ. Draws on EQ, yeah. Draw. Like we are continuing to do draws. Like, wow, this cell is massive, baby. Wow, this cell is massive. Look at this. Look at this. Are you seeing this? This what's the ratio on this? Jesus Christ. What's the ratio? 1795. Oh my god, and we still sold more. I just stopped here because this was the last. I mean, this is not the last year. That was the last low we had. And look at this, guys. Look at this. EQ doesn't work. Imagine me doing EQ for wait safe. Which EQ? Okay, this will be another day. In case you did not catch it on this new 4 hour, you would have caught it here because why? Let me delete this. I can't see it. Let's mark EQ for this. Because you say, but why would I have used this other block? We are chill or there, chill, chill, mumu, chill, mumu, chill. Oh God, look at this. Oh yeah, soften me, baby. Kí ló fi? No, soften me, oh yeah. Sọ̀rọ̀ sókè, wèrè, sọ̀rọ̀ sókè. What did we do here? We came here and broke above it here, right? And what do you when we do broke above it, we retrace. Go back to 1 minute, you would have caught this retracement back here. And if you're a pussy, you could not catch a CFG tap am. You did not catch that one to CFG tap am. When was this? God, imagine if I saw this thing. Oh, well, full moment. So yeah, we cut that, right? We cut that from year to year. I'm not putting the same position again. Yeah, we cut that from year to where this all-time lows here, which was here from year to year. Can you imagine? Wow, wow, this is looking real, man. Am I buy an FTMO account with this and pass the accounts, bro? Maybe okay, that's what I'll do. That will be the plan. I'll buy a 10k FTMO account. I'll buy a 10k FTMO account and I will use it live to pass this account live on this fucking thing. Yeah, we'll do each thing. We'll be risking about let's see um the drawdown for what's it called for FTM is 500 per day, 1,000 overall. So we'll be risking about since we're having like 5 to 6 trades in a day, we're risking about $50 per trade, right? Right, yeah. So the higher if we make more than our SL, our loss for the day, our loss for the day. Sorry for that interruption. Our loss for the day double to increase, not even double to increase. Look at the BTC is going up, guy, from 3 something to 479. God, I wish you check this trade right now, but alright, I was gonna end this shit now. 538, guy. Let me check it on my phone. Let me check it on my phone, guys. Hold on. Let me check it on my phone, guys. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. I'm in profits, Jesus Christ. Oh my god, I'm in profit. I used the EQ to actually catch. I'm in profit right now. I wish I can actually show screenshot right now. I should be able to do video now. Yeah, yeah. Let me switch to video real quick. I should be able to do video. Yeah, I'm in profit. Are you seeing that? Are you seeing it? Yeah, you can see it, Avi. You've seen my face already. This is the guy behind the YouTube channel. Are you seeing that I'm in profit? That's BTC. I used it from here. I actually sent this signal in my group, but some of them did not take it. If you are seeing this video, tell me why you did not take this trade. I didn't even need to tell you to not take this trade. You should have seen this trade, but you did not take it. They are not locked in that my group. They are not locked in on a strategy. They are locked in on making money, right? But they are not locked in the strategy, which is bad. Is it bad though? Nah, it's not bad. Maybe because they've not really seen the impact on it. You get, and I understand. I'm not even rushing them. I always send signals. You get the signals, I'll send it. If you don't get it, no problem. You get. I was once like that. I don't really get in on people's signal unless I see them like the profit is like showing. So maybe that's what they're waiting for. But yeah, I'm in profit. I'm not going to close. I should be closing, but right now I can't check draws on liquidity because I'm teaching you guys. But I'm also in this thing now, so let's turn off this video back. Or should we leave it on? Right, let's leave it on. We showed face already. The face review was supposed to be on the FCM, but anyway. Should I use money to buy it? Nah, nah, I can't. Yeah, I have some people that invested money in me and I've not done a return on investment on their money. Yeah, a family friend. No, a family, not even friend, a family. My brother invested money and yeah, I'm here to like give him his return. But before the end of this month, he's getting at least 100k on his return. He invested 300k. Right now, I entered a loss of the amount more than okay, less than half. Wait, I lost like 100k only. Yeah, I lost 100k within a week. I lost 100k, so I stopped. Then I resumed, and now I'm back to the money he gave me. So if I continue with this strategy, I will make that money back. So yeah, this is strategy we cut it from year to year, right? In case you were like, but we do not use the EQ for to get it. Oh yeah, look at this one. The new what did we do? We cut it. That'll be the end of this. Should I show you okay UOUSD? I said I was going to show you USD at the end. That I cut it right. Now let's see if UOUSD is there. Look at UOUSD guy. Look at this bullshit. This was from when? Monday 14th. Oh, this wasn't even recent. I did not go far back. It was like yesterday. You get look at it, look at the wins. I don't think we ever had it. Okay, I think we had a loss. Was it here? I don't remember. But let's just count the wins. One, two, right? Three, yeah, right? I think we had a loss now. Four. We didn't have any loss. I think it was on gold. It was on gold we used to have losses because gold is very fucking volatile. So one, two, three, four. Four out of four. Four out of six, sorry. That we caught. Oh. So I don't have to start going back. The next pair we'll be doing is be on futures. US 500 and last 1000. That'll be the next one. That'll be the next video. Thanks for watching. Like if your soul wishes to. Subscribe if your soul wishes to. I don't care about the money. Why? I'm up. This shit is not monetized. I'm just doing this so I can check back on it and it to be cringe. But I have to enjoy and watch it. This is the money there. This is money. It's selling right now, but I don't give a fuck because I'm up. I'm up. With the strategy, by the way, nothing else. With the strategy. I will not force this on anybody. I will not, I swear. I'll keep draining and draining it. Until people start seeing it and be like, this strategy must be working. You get I won't even force anybody. That's what I'm saying. You don't have to like. Because if you like and subscribe, like the reach will start increasing. And YouTube will start showing to people. Do you get? Right now I have like 9 views on the first video I posted. I don't know how. Because I shared it to the group. And I'm pretty sure some of them did not watch it. Because if they watched it, right, they would have learned from it. You get? But I'm pretty sure they did not watch it. You get? So that 9 views is either from I don't remember my brother because I sent him the link. But maybe outsiders. I sent it to another group too though. Yeah. But I'm not getting like replies on it. So I'm guessing maybe it's from outsiders. But 9 views, that's a lot. I don't even lie. That's a lot. That's a lot. Oh. I was expecting like 3 4 views, just to keep it coded, you know. Then I hit it big and then be like, this shit has been here 4 years ago. It's life. Alright, this is about 14 minutes. Should we just wait and let's say it's 40 minutes? It should be perfect. I like perfect things. I like perfect numbers. Or we should do 3 9 and then 3 3 9 odd numbers. 3 9 odd number remain 6 2 6. No. 3 9. I like 3, I like 9. 1 3. We already passed 1 3. Fuck. 3 1. Yeah, we can do 3 1. 3 9 3. About to be 3 1.